Why are you laughing at your kid like this? Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Tyler, say good morning, Faves.
Good morning, Faves.
How are you?
How are you?
Hi, guys. Good morning. Tyler's repeating what Babe says. Hi, guys. You guys, it is Saturday morning. It's the weekend, so of course we're out and about as usual, and we're going to run some errands this morning. I have a package to go and pick up, and then we're going to do our supermarket runs and then see what else we're going to do throughout the day. But I woke up this morning and I didn't have much time, but I insisted on getting some workout in, and boy am I happy I did that, because I went all in. I did full intense, go hard, and just sweat it out, and it was really fun working out this morning. Yeah, so that's good. Make sure you guys get your workout in, and make sure you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy your weekend, whatever it is that you're doing, whether you're spending time with your family as we always do, or you're out with friends, or you're just simple being a loner. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. C'est Christelle Fleur ici?
Oui, madame.
Oh, bonjour. Je m'appelle Madame Delaveau. Je suis ici pour un colis.
Oui, donnez-moi votre
Just
identité.
Fab. Allez.
Votre pièce d'identité, votre nom.
Oh,
C'est ce qu'il faut. Delaveau.
Oui.
Mélissa.
merci.
C'est bon. Merci. Et une signature, s'il vous plaît. Voilà. Et merci.
Merci.
Au revoir.
Merci. You guys, so I told you that I had a package to go and pick up, and I just went and pick up my package. You want to see what it is? Ha! You want to see? I'm so excited. I'm in love. It's my new bestie. Look. Jesus. Oh, Lord. You guys, look at this. Look at this beauty. You guys know me then. You guys know that. I am. You want it? Tyler wants it. You guys know that I'm in love with sneakers. I'll buy heels, but I rarely buy heels, and I rarely wear them. I love me some sneakers. I want them in every color, in every style. If you want to make me happy, just take me sneaker shopping. But look at Tyler taking out the packages from the shoes. You're going to put it on? You like it? You like mama shoes? So this is my new baby. This is my new baby that I just went and picked up, that I ordered from Just Fab. So yeah, that's my package, and I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to go home to try it on and to wear it. out. You guys, we have been back. You hear in the house echoing. I don't know if it's echoing to you, but it's echoing to us because we have been cleaning. We took out all Tyler's toys from the living room and we finally get to sort them out since Christmas. Finally get to sort them out since his toy arrangement, his toy compartment thing came, and pack them in and stuff like that. And I changed the curtains. Well, I take down the clear curtains to wash, and I have this window to finally clean. The sun is setting outside. It's looking so beautiful out. Hello. What is that? Who gave you pretzel? Who gave you pretzel? Papa? Papa gave you pretzel? Did you say thank you? You did? So babe and I have been cleaning non-stop. Well, it's cleaning and organizing really.
To see the outdoor.
Yeah, because we took down the curtain to wash the clear one.
Bad.
Yeah, it looks
Very
good.
nice.
Yeah. I'm literally sitting and just looking outside.
more
That
like
looks
you're outside,
good. Right, right.
When you're like this, you feel like you're
Yeah,
outside.
when you have the curtains, you can't see anything. But when the curtain's not there, look at that view. I'm literally just sitting in the armchair looking outside right now. Living room is all fresh, and Tyler's room is all fresh with all of his toys and all of his books, and yeah. So their Tyler toys are all packed away. They have a lot in there. And we're stuck up in here, and his puzzles under here, and his books are in here. So yeah, he's good to go now. So that's what it's gonna be. What is that?
Rabbit.
What is it?
Rabbit.
Yeah, what color is the rabbit?
Red.
Yes. And then it changed to... What color it changed to? What color is that? What color is that?
Red.
What color is it now?
Green.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yes.
Like
What color is that?
a video.
Yeah, but look. It's changing again. It's changing to...
Green.
Yeah. Go hide. Run. Ooh, where is Tyler? Huh. Is Tyler behind this one? Oh no, I don't see Tyler. I wonder if he's behind the heater. Oh no. Is he? Yes. Catch him, Mama. Catch him. Go.
Tyler, va cacher dans la chambre. Dans la chambre.
That's funny. Mama looking for Tyler. Is Tyler under the table? Oh no. Is Tyler behind the TV? Oh no. Is Tyler behind Papa? Oh no. Is Tyler behind the door? Oh no. Is Tyler? 1, 2, 3. Mama's coming. Is Tyler under the table? Oh no. Is Tyler outside? I wonder if Tyler is outside. Let me see. Huh. Oh no, he's not outside. I wonder if he's behind the green curtain. Huh. Oh no, he's not. Is he behind the orange curtain? Okay, Mama, go catch him. Hide.
Why are you laughing at your kid like this?
I can't breathe. Oh, I can't breathe. Tyler.
Where are
Where
you?
are you? I wonder if he's in Papa's stuff. No, he's not. Is he under the table? Oh no. Is he under the couch? Oh no. Wonder where could Tyler be? He must be hiding very, very good. Okay, let's see. Is Tyler under here? Is he under here? I don't know. Should I check under here? I wonder if he's somewhere under here. Hey faves, you guys, it's been a pretty busy day for us. Busy day. We didn't vlog most of the day because we've just been busy focusing on getting some stuff done, and we've accomplished a lot. We've accomplished a lot. And feeling tired now. Tyler is off the bed. Excuse me. So it's time to unwind and just relax. Just us, right, babe?
Another one.
Another one, he says. Anyway, you guys, so we're gonna give you the French expression and Jamaican expression of the day. And the Jamaican expression for today is skin your teeth. If somebody said to you, girl, why you skin your teeth? So, or girl, why you skin your teeth? So, mean you're smiling or grinning or laughing a lot. So you're like,
Skin.
yes.
Skin your teeth?
Skin your teeth. So Mel is always skinning her teeth. I'm forever skinning my teeth. No?
No.
Oh, well. Most of the time, no? Most of the time I'm skinning my teeth.
Yeah.
So always skin your teeth and let nobody, I mean nobody, take away your skin teeth. Okay? Always stay smiling.
Not even your husband.
Not even your husband. Where did that come from? Anyway, say skin your teeth.
Skin your teeth.
Yes, what's the French expression for today?
The French expression for today is se tourner les pouces.
Se tourner les pouces.
Right. Tourner is to turn. And les pouces, that's firm. So it's to turn your pouce, your thumbs.
Okay.
Means you do nothing.
To what?
Means you do nothing. If you're saying like, for example, babe, tu te tournes les pouces. Mean you do nothing.
Okay, you're lazy, just sit on your ass doing shit.
This person just turn his thumbs.
I have my moments, okay? I have my moments. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican expression and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to our channel. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.